Hey guys, in this video we are going to be looking at styling text in CSS using text decoration and text transformation. Now in my last video we looked at the color property in CSS and also the position of changing the position of your text using text alignment. But I've deleted the text alignment so that it's easier to see, but I kept my colors there. Now firstly we are going to look at text decoration. Now normally we use text decoration using for customizing links, the A tag in CSS in HTML, because by default the A tag has an underline when it turns into a link, which most people think it's ugly and they want to change it. But just for now we'll be using these three as an example to see the types of text decoration we could use. Okay, firstly it's called overline, so let's give it one space, tab it in, and we write text decoration. Just like color, it's a text decoration property, and we write overline. There we go. Let's save our work and check it out. There. Because we use the text decoration property on the green ID, the h1 tag, which contains the ID or which has an ID of green, has now an overline above its text, and as you can see the color of the overline will be the same as the color of the text. That's the first one, overline. The second one we are going to use is line 3, so text decoration line 3, and what we do is give it a hyphen here. So let's save our work and refresh. There we go. As you can see now, because we specified it to be line through, the P tag now has a blue line, the same as the color of the font, going through its text. The last one is going to be, oh, I forgot about that. The last one is going to be text decoration underline. I can't type underline. There we go. Let's save it and check it out. There we go. It's quite simple. On my last or third tag, which is P, which has an ID of red, now we have an underline below its, or technically a line below its text, which is an underline. So 3 simple text decoration: overline, line through, and underline, as you can see over here. Now the next thing we are going to look at is text transformation. Now before I do that, let me just quickly delete these 3. 1, 2, 3, and save it and refresh. There we go, it's deleted. Now text transformation it's a property used to specify the uppercase and the lowercase letters in a text. So basically you can change the whole text to uppercase, lowercase, or you can basically use a decoration called capitalize, which puts all the first letter in each word into uppercase. So let's have a look at all the 3. Now in my green ID green, we are going to do text transform and say uppercase. There. Let's save it and check it out. There we go. Now my h1 tag text is now all in uppercase because we set text transform to be uppercase. Now for my blue, which is my first P tag, let's say text transform to be lowercase. Now before we had this is a paragraph text T in uppercase, but now let's refresh it and everything, or it was only this T, but now it's all in undercase or lowercase. Yeah, lowercase is the correct English. Now for red, I will say text transform into capitalize. There we go. Now what this does is capitalize every first letter in each word within this sentence, text, paragraph. We'll call it paragraph because it's surrounded by paragraph text. Now let's refresh, and there we go. This is another longer paragraph text. I like sushi. Everything is in capital letters. Every word is in capital letters. The first letter is in capital letters. It's like one of those annoying teenage girls, I love my mum or I hate war comments, posts on Facebook. I often see it's so annoying. But anyway, that's it. That was a quick video showing you the other two ways of transforming or changing how your text looks like in CSS using text decoration and text transform. Now I will be using text decoration more in my later videos when we look at ways of using CSS to change how our links looks like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.